place too. Okay, so I'm out here wandering around, quote unquote, one of Pueblo's biggest eyesores. And I've been ripping up in this room. It's pretty awesome in here. Check out that carcass. That's one old chicken. Yeah, pretty fun. I've already done several rooms in this area. They're going to be turning it into an art gallery, an office complex, and some other things. So they're actually doing something with it. The owner invited us to do stuff here. Actually, some guys are in the basement right now. The Creatures crew, they're down there doing graffiti.
Hail to the king, baby.
I don't know how you can tell what the light looks like in here, but it's pretty dark. But this is also another room. This one caught fire at some point. So it looks like stuff's melted up there. I'm trying to find a certain spot out here. I want to find the water tower. But this place is a huge maze. So it's kind of hard to find. We're kind of getting close now. I'm starting to get low on the light, so it's the reason why I want to, whenever I find the spot, I know that the water tower that I'm looking for is situated directly above me. So, hope I'll find it soon. Where was I? I was out ripping. So ripping.